I can't keep up with your style. I can't keep up with your style.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This video is for drop G tuning. Let me know in the comment section below what song you are trying to play. And let's get started. Select the first string and make sure this number over here is negative 93. Next string, make sure the number is negative 73. Next string, make sure the number is negative 73 again. Again, negative 73. Make sure the number is negative 72. Make sure this number is negative 71. Congratulations, you are now in drop G tuning. Leave a question if you have any and like and subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Peace.
Me